So the companies building these systems are not sitting still. They bolt on defenses. They connect the model to live search so it can look things up instead of guessing. They train it to say, "I'm not sure," more often. They add separate fact-checking passes. And these help sometimes a lot. But notice what's happening. Every one of these fixes is a layer wrapped around the model, not a change to the core. The underlying engine is still a next-word predictor that will confidently continue past the edge of its knowledge. We are managing the symptom, building fences around a thing that will always wander if you let it. And this matters far beyond trivia. People are using these systems for medical questions, legal research, financial decisions. There have been real cases of lawyers submitting court filings full of cases the AI invented, cases that sounded completely real and did not exist. The danger isn't that the machine is wrong sometimes. Every tool is wrong sometimes. The danger is